Okay guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Welcome back with me in my vlog video, and today I don't know. I don't know. Saya tidak tahu mau kemana. And today I have breakfast. Yes, okay, this breakfast. And right now I want to take a bath, and I want to make a statement. I want to make in the bedroom, in bedroom, and this is my daily vlog every day. And I don't know what will I say. And this video random, guys, and sorry guys, speaking English, my speaking English tidak bagus, not good, because I am learning English, and I am bingung. Okay guys, I wanna make this video long duration. I will go to Jakarta and today, and I don't know how to what sorry guys, sorry, my speaking English not good, it's not good. This video random video, gak jelas. Okay guys, I will right now I will take a bath, and see you in the next video, my English video.